Dear students, now in the second chapter of customer relationship management related to this B2B and B2C consumers, we will discuss database marketing and eCRM solutions, prospects database and data warehouse and data mining. These are the three key factors which are connected with e-customer relation management solutions. What is e-customer relationship management? It is the application of internet-based technologies such as emails, website, chat rooms, forums, and other channels to achieve CRM objectives. It is a well-structured and coordinated process of customer relationship management that automates the processes in making or increasing market, increasing sales, and increasing customer base by extending them better and better services. An effective eCRM increases the efficiency of the process as well as improves the interactions with customers and enables businesses to customize products and services that meet the customer's individual needs. eCRM also provides an avenue for interactions between a business, its customers and its employees. So, if you see that eCRM is a tool to connect customers, business and employees through various web-based technologies. The process of eCRM combines software, hardware, processes and management commitments geared towards supporting enterprise-wide customer relationship management business strategies. Electronic customer relationship management, or you can understand that managing customers through electrical or electronics web-based programs is connected with internet access, and it uses various platforms, devices like mobile phones, laptops, desktops, TV sets and many more. It is not software but rather the utilization of web-based technologies to interact, understand and ensure customer satisfaction. Any effective eCRM system tracks customers' history through multiple channels in real time. It creates and maintains an analytical database and optimize a customer's relations in the three aspects of attraction, expansion and maintenance. The typical eCRM strategy involves collecting customer information, transaction history and product information, clicking stream and contents information, analyzing the customer characteristics to give a transactional analysis is consisting of the customer's profile and transactional history, and an activity analysis consisting of exploratory activities showing the customer's navigation, shopping cart, shopping pattern and many more. Now if we see that many of the business houses or business products, if we see that the process of B2C, business to customers, if you are not buying anything for months together, the team of the business will try to contact you. What are the reasons, sir, why you are not purchasing from our website? You have last purchased our product 6 months back. This is another process of eCRM to reach to the customers, to encourage them to go for their products, or on the other side to know whether the customer is still there, is loyal, or he has shifted to other product. There are few benefits of eCRM which involves customer relationship service and support, which involves customers' behavior with suitable offers, offering them certain matchless offers. eCRM increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. It is time saver also, because you just sit on laptop, open your mobile phone, you will be able to book any of the product. You can understand, because it provides efficiency and cost reduction. You need not to go to the outlet of the product. You need not to go to the office to avail a particular service. You are connected with internet, and in case you are not getting the product details very easily, or getting some problem or seeing some problem, the customer relationship manager who is observing your activities sitting at other location will contact you. It is happening in the case of aviation industry. If you are not able to book your ticket online, and if you are facing some problems while making the payment, because you have entered your details and you have failed to make the payment, the customer relationship manager will contact you immediately. What were the problems, to understand the problems, what were the issues you are facing to book the ticket. Customers have the power to help themselves through online personalized services that are made available to the customers on demand. The moment customer relationship management contact a passenger in aviation industry, in case passenger is failed to make payment for the booking, this is known as services on demand. Because e-connectivity provides a simple and ideal medium where customers can get information from websites, they can buy products and services and find answers using frequent answers of the questions where this service is available, and they can also go to the chat room, they can chat with the executive who is sitting on the other side. If we talk about data mining and data warehouse, data warehousing and mining is the process of determining data patterns. A data warehouse is a database system designed for analytics. Data mining is generally considered as the process of extracting useful data from a large set of data. Data warehousing is the process of combining all the relevant data. There are few types of data warehouse. Enterprise warehouse. In enterprise warehouse, cover is provided for all areas of interest for an organization. And the second is data mart. It covers a subset of corporate wide data that is for interest for a specific user group. And the third one is virtual warehouse. It offers a set of views constructed on demand on operational database. So there are three types of data warehouse. One is enterprise warehouse and the data mart, and the last one is virtual warehouse. If we talk about the scope of the data mining, it derives its name from the similarities between searching for valuable business information in a large database. For example, finding linked product in aviation industry for the aviation passengers, for the airline passengers. and then you can mine a mountain of vulnerable data. And the process requires either shifting through an immense amount of information or intelligently probing it to find exactly where the value resides. Providing database of sufficient size, quality, data mining technology can generate new business opportunities by providing the capabilities. If you are capable to provide other business opportunities, other services to the passengers, that is going to maintain the services of the airline industry. And for getting this service started, how to start this service, sufficient data is required to understand the needs of the customers, to understand the technology, how you can generate new business opportunities by providing various capabilities. If we talk about automated prediction and trends and behaviors, this is also considered as capabilities. Data mining automates the process of finding predictive information in large database. Questions that traditionally required extensive hands-on analysis can now be answered directly from the data quickly. A typical example of a predictive problem is targeted marketing. Data mining uses data on past promotional mailings to identify the targets most likely to maximize return on investment in future mailing. If you don't have the database, you don't have the warehouse, it will not be possible to identify the previous examples, the previous system to whom customer relationship management managers have contacted. What are the mails of the passengers, of the consumers? You may face other predictive problems, including forecasting of growth of the company, forecasting of bankruptcy, forecasting of default, and also to identify any segment of population which can respond to the given events, which can respond to the required support to avail the services of a particular business house. Automated discovery of previously unknown patterns. It is a tool which sweeps through database and identify previously hidden patterns in one step. An example of pattern discovery is the analysis of retail sales data to identify seemingly unrelated products that are often purchased together. There are other patterns which discover problems, include detecting fraudulent credit card transactions and identify anomalous data that could represent data entry keying error. If we talk about aviation industry, other pattern can discover problems which may include detecting fraudulent bookings of airline tickets in the other customer's name. For other industries, fraudulent claims can be settled, can be submitted. If we talk about business to business in aviation industry, if you are not maintaining data, it will not be possible to match the business with the other business house, because in business to business pattern, business to business process, payments are sometimes take longer time, and without having proper database it will not be possible to compare the services extended to one company in the past. There are few examples when payments could not be realized by the service provider company because they were not having proper data of the services being provided to the other company under business to business process. Task of data mining involves 6 common classes of tasks. Anomaly detection to identify on unusual data records that might be interesting or data error that require further investigation. Searches for relationships between variables. It is a dependency modeling. Clustering. Clustering is the task of discovering groups and structures in the data that are in some way or another similar without using non-structures in the data. Then it is classification. Classification is the task of generalizing known structure to apply to new data. An email program might attempt to classify an email as legitimate or as spam. You may be facing this problem that some emails are legitimate or some are spam. Then the other class is regression. Regression is simply connected with attempts to find a function which models the data with the least error. Using association rule learning, the supermarket can determine which products are frequently bought together and use the information for marketing purposes. Data mining process is having certain steps. Data mining is a process of discovering various models, summaries, and derived values from a given collection of data. The general experimental procedure adapted to data mining problems involves the following steps. State the problem and formulate the hypothesis. Collect the data. Pre-processing the data. Estimate the model and interpret the model and draw conclusions. The data mining system is classified further according to the following criteria. There are various criteria which are used to classify the data mining system. These criteria are database technology, statistics, machine learning, information service, visualization, and other disciplines. There are various issues which are being faced in data mining. Mining different kinds of knowledge in database. The need of different users is not the same. The different user may be interested in different kind of knowledge. Therefore, it is necessary for data mining to cover broad range of knowledge discovery task. Interactive mining of knowledge at multiple level of abstraction needs to be interactive because it allows users to focus the search for patterns, providing the refining data mining requests based on returned results. Then the third major issue is incorporation of background knowledge. This is related to guide discovery process and to express the discovered patterns. The background knowledge can be used. Background knowledge may be used to express the discovered patterns not only in concise terms but at multiple level of abstraction. Data mining query language and Havoc data mining. Data mining query language that allows the user to describe ad hoc mining tasks should be integrated with the data warehouse query language and optimized for efficient and flexible data mining. Next is presentation and visualization of data mining results. Once the patterns are discovered, it needs to be expressed in high level languages, visual representations. Handling noisy or incomplete data. The data cleaning methods are required that can handle the noise, incomplete objects while mining the data regularities. If data cleaning methods are not there, then the accuracy of the discovered patterns will be poor. Then finally, it is evaluation of the patterns. Evaluation of patterns refers to interestingness of the problem. The patterns discovered should be interesting because either they represent common knowledge or lack novelty.